joined a commercial flight. Weapons near somebody called Sirum, and they have brought weapons, sir. Omudiegu a cases no oma cover home. And oma dress now at the end of the day, we say, now you're so geni, that's all tamale on special assignment. Why do you come to the airport? You have the military aircraft, because as we speak in Ghana today, Samira Bawumia, from the day now onya accident to be the convoy accident, you know, Samira Bawumia has not traveled on land in Ghana again. Unim say Ghana aircraft, you know, a military aircraft, you know, Samira Bawumia ne use. Everywhere she goes, she flies that aircraft. Obedruana cars is one what name. Samira Bawumia does not drive on 2.4 hours, 5 hours on the road in Ghana. From Taibia, see Onya, the driver be we or accident, you know. And the military craft there, they are Samira Bawumia. In the end, baby, Samira person okono. Now I got na military craft him, and I say military airline a plane him. Na edene ko into Samira Bawumia so na Ghana ha baby on fact V8 and 90 form. Yeah, the cars ni Asia no baby a plane ni be lande. Say helicopter and I say a plane na. And no Samira Bawumia when they Samira Bawumia say or drive across the country. Into a time military aircraft near the ama Samira. Because what catch you could say accident be na the driver be no on pese or bet travel on land BM into everything there. Bawumia my instructions. Samira Bawumia only flies with the military aircraft. Into military nankasa krampo airco operational, they don't get the aircraft. Samira Bawumia they use, and you people can attest to that. Moi, wababa mu village near there, or the helicopter never, or the plane in the belande. Samira Bawumia na use Ghana military airline. Now this is what is happening, and there's something happened at Kotoka International Airport. Military phobia na almost a two new weapons. Yes, omo fanko sim. Omo de koye den, omo ankade omo de koye. And Omunam Kotoka International Airport. Let me show you. These are the weapons. And the Omoya say because they know said they are going to kill. This they have the men. They have the men. But I will not add the weight because it was here. But I will not add the weight because it was here. But I will not add the weight because it was here. Yes. These are weapons, sir. Military men or more Ghana military mu. Oma sesa ediegu bags mamadi Kotoka International Airport so omudi tu kwan akọ. And you some say dey na mo koye almost a special mission. In fact, these are the military men omunie. So these were the men. Yebusamu airport or some kwahi. Now, almost some called special mission. And I was a special mission there. You have to use military aircraft, a helicopter or the plane or whatever. Why are you coming to fly to Tamale with these weapons? These are thousands of weapons, and these are dangerous things that you cannot just get on a commercial flight. I'm saying yes, almost called special mission. They are dressed with guns and they wanted to get on the plane to Tamale. Now, there's this man, any lady, they came and said, say, intervene because the police were asking, man, when the Babaka police version, they should step back and that the guys are going on a special mission. This man, his name is Oyejumawo Airport. Now, I'll bring a better picture of him. This man and this lady, these two people. omo na omo ba airport wo ebeka kire eye police for so omo njai na nkofo ne fa weapons no enfa commercial flight no your friend Patrick Curry Kuurire and the lady is called Doreen or Chamidi omo clearer picture about Bechiremo. These are the people who came and said yes, the military men are going on special mission into omofa weapons ni nyina enwura plane no omofa nkotamale Ghana military na asmomo. This man called Patrick Kuurire on it Galway, your friend Doreen. More and more airport one, you know, these are the two officers who came. Police for Elbusa say, why are they not flying with military aircraft? No, papa we catch mama. These guys, this is what we are facing today. And I know Mr. Patrick and Doreen, I will get their pictures before the end of today's show. Now me the pictures at Chiremo. Ni ebusa omo say sanko for omo military atade etuo bobo omo ho omo de sa weapons no ebe for commercial flight no. Him family military ne ma omo sa order ne say omo for sa weapons no, and what shows there they are from the Ghana military. Me catch them say and the Ghana military crowd does not get the opportunity to use Ghana army. Samira Bawumia today she landed in Kumasi flight or the Koyeni. Samira Bawumia and they only use Ghana military aircraft. Ghana, as we sit in Ghana today, Mahamudu Bawumia catch Ghana soldier penny for so omontam aircraft in Samira. Inti Samira nam Ghana hano. Otukoya near the V8 Bay 20 Shiano airport. Now or the SAR plane way, I've done a personal plane. Military for the every single day because Samira catch the new kunu say Onya's her first accident and the driver be we no, she's never going to travel on land in Ghana because she is the second lady. And as we speak, everywhere Samira Bawumia goes or the Ghana Air Force plane or the SAR plane way or the call. Sadina get way or Ghana. This is what she's doing in Ghana. Now or the makeup boxes near the sim near Teha. We pay for every single trip or making. Every trip does not cost less than $300,000. Samira Bawumia does not care. Every single trip, free her, no akwaha, into no sorry also a campaign. Ube wan so akopia on far from one who's a Samira air driver from Abedru Krasi AP Africa mu. Won't be that. The Ube wan says Samira Abedu. And oko Kumasi Airport. Plane way no the choir. And you see, this is where the problem is. And these are the people who want power. Bawumia say for 2 minutes. Bawumia Krompo cannot even check his wife. Can he check Ghanaians? And the Musa lady BT TV so oka say Bawumia sa lady na seb no. Me mamu inside story amunyam bebu ahwe. Mr. Give me the video number akranjo. Lady bi na oti TV so na. On say and the NPP they want to rubbish that lady. That girl na oti TV so ka say Bawumia is not intelligent enough to be a leader of Ghana no. That story na it is deeper than you think. Now make it show for somebody to be bold enough to walk out and say I'm going to the media to tell Ghana said this man is a dangerous man, he's not a man enough to lead Ghana no. Then it means say sa abayo an okuta Bawumia shwom. And if you know the inside story and come Bawumia ojina stage kan come betwem. On say lady no or kasadru baby anu ojina or say I will not go there. There is see wa office wa ama abayo we ababontene. Ababeka se mama Ghana ni bia ntuma Bawumia no. On say Bawumia office release statement said that lady is not part of us and that nobody should listen to him. Saka 4 days me akoto aba. Adentina Bawumia office and release statement say the lady she's not somebody we can trust. She's not credible. Bawumia cannot do it because the filth in kwasiadia Bawumia ye. And this lady knows a lot and because me be story kakra kire mo a. Samira Bawumia knows that story. Besides, get me whatever you can get me. Into lady na not TV Sunday GH1 the radio go near there. The lady was sending a message to you people. Mbabe and 9 anyim was asem we mu a. Mbabe 9. Somebody is insisting say or say a warre no. If you say Bawumia ne som entia. Samira Bawumia knows the story. Ya o ma ya buo mo muntumi nkasa. Bawumia cannot take decisions. Wouldn't be easy. And this lady to come out boldly to tell us say Bawumia mame antam Ghana nhye ni nsem na oka bibia kire mo na oka kire mo say na yire na onam ho no or you dangerous. This lady has worked with Bawumia in his office, was serving Bawumia tea, coffee, and I do 11, 12. And you know, she knows Bawumia more than you people. It's a DNA Bemanaba Bontini open face. I catch them say, this guy or your garden, people should be careful about Bawumia. Sa lady way or you dangerous Samira Bawumia. Me say, sa sabna obani can nipe be a womb. Bawumia na muhuni sa ano. Me say ye raping ma maybe me womb, e be me wu, ye raping ma e may be a wu. E wa asam na girl ne kanim. It is beyond what she's saying. The all catch them no e ni so no catch them no. Do you know what has happened there? Unim asam e so Bawumia office wo. Unim the damage Bawumia has done to this lady and her friends. Do you know what has happened there? It is for Oba to just walk out and at this point because Bawumia is vice president. Bawumia bet me the president too. I didn't think a girl where sir. Ogen say we Jimmy. She wants you people to know that this is dangerous. Or catch us about Bawumia is not a man enough or kamukasakwa. So lady wait to TV so boldly. I catch them say what is say MPP ni bia babontene. Abe bien and I catch them say oh lady wait there. Wa bodam memo bi antie what is say MPP ni bia betina TV so aka bibi. What is say NPP Bawumia's campaign almost may release the official statement say this woman she's crazy we never worked with what is on Makabi almost slow so lady wakers or spell it their Asia Bawumia will commit suicide today hey unim the AC unim crime Samira committee because of this matter. Sometimes in your car some muntie this is not a joke so girl no asam no kano onim de wahu ena onim de saga we betuma Samira we betuma ye and it's going to say Bawumia can never lead Ghana. Let me see mo de muntie kakra na me chewa de bi he me ka se me bie kakra bi so akere mu a munim damage Bawumia na yiri we ye MPP NDC4 Omane Boama John Mahama Asiedun Ketia tonight as I speak they are printing ballot papers at Newtown. I'll give you guys the location right now. Newtown, they are printing illegal ballots as I speak. NDC4 Omane Boama tonight as I speak right now Accra Newtown. The NPP Samia Ukumo they are printing a ballot paper as I speak. I'll give you people location right now. More Newtown. I need to tell you where it is happening. They are printing fake ballot papers right now. Right now.
Cast their votes to choose the next president of the Republic of Ghana, and of course those who are going to be in the lawmaking chamber as the people's representatives. And both political parties are intensifying their campaign, trying to get you to make a choice to choose them to be the ones that are getting news with your friends and family. That TN is an act.
Yes, I'm very ready to vote. I made a choice.
You've made a choice?
Yes, I have.
You already know who it is that you want to vote for?
I'm very clear in my mind.
Very clear in your mind who you want to vote for?
Exactly.
And you are not shy to tell anybody who it is that you want to vote for?
Not at all. Yes.
Interesting. We'll get into, what that choice is. But
all right.
You're somebody who has been through student politics and you've held many portfolios in the New Patriotic Party. How did it all start for you, this thing with politics?
Well, it was when I went to KNUST in 2013. And when I went to KNUST, well, for some reasons, people kept on coming to me with their problems for me to solve. In my own little way, I was just doing my best. That is even what gave me the name People's Mother. My colleagues and friends started calling me by that name because I was just always there for people. I always wanted to see women thrive, people in need and people who were vulnerable on campus, on KNUST campus. And so I eventually became TESCON Women's Commissioner. TESCON is the student hub of the New Patriotic Party. So I became TESCON Women's Commissioner I proceeded to become Hall Women's Commissioner, Independence Hall. It's a hall on campus.
Right.
And I also became majority leader for KNUST Students' Parliament. And eventually, I contested for the SRC portfolio. And I won overwhelmingly, and I became the SRC Women's Commissioner. So it's always about women. The passion has always been about women. And that is where it all started. So why I joined TESCON was just to have a platform. You know, we all heard it in this country, the economic messiah, the economic waistcoat. So I was excited to have the other opportunity to work closely with him, book his appointment of the campaign office, sit in his meetings and write his minutes, serve him his coffee, his food, and whatever he may assign me to do. And also did travel sometimes with him. So it was very exciting, I would say. But along the line, I realized Dr. Bawumia lacked leadership. He was not just my boss. He was like a father to me. At a point in time, an incident happened at the office. But I will not go into details now. I won't go into details. But with the approach to that particular situation, I realized it lacked leadership. I realized that.
What was the approach?
His approach lacked boldness, firmness, fairness, and courage.
Really?
And these are essential qualities of any good leader.
But there's a leader who is saying he has bold solutions, you know, for the people of Ghana. You are saying he lacked boldness in taking decisions at his office?
He cannot. You know, I came to the conclusion that with what happened, he's easily manipulated and dictated to.
Really?
It's sad, but people control Dr. Bawumia.
Seriously?
People tell him what to do. And it's sad that a leader will not have an opinion of his own. It's sad.
This is the vice president of the country we're talking about.
Well, he holds the position, but who is he when it comes to his leadership style? That is what we are talking about.
What did you see at the office which is making you jump, or should I say arrive at this?
I would say, I will still not go into the issues. I know you're trying to push me. But with his approach, when it comes to solving issues, putting his foot down when it matters the most, pulling the bull by the horn, correcting people when they are misbehaving. He cannot even correct a group of about 10 people working around him when some are misbehaving. So it saddens my heart that people will think he can handle the affairs of our beautiful country of over 32 million people. I don't think Dr. Bawumia can. He will be overwhelmed. Ghana will not be safe under Dr. Bawumia.
There's a lot in this. Don't just see like that. This girl doesn't want to say it on air. And she knows what Samira can do. And it has got to do with other women. And at a point, to be a MS Samira Bawumia Enwari Obi or so nye Samira so nye obebotuo. Do you know where this thing is going? Do you know where it is? Do you know the damage Samira momuye? Do you know what Bawumia momuye? This is uncanny now eh. Bami ya charge ebekani na. They have done crazy stuff. And you don't see Bawumia so Jimmy. Bawumia di nipa 10 man want me handle omo. And the kufu ado ne gabi mo nim. Gawe or Bawumia edo or ne Bawumia le tu kwan eda hotel bakum epie oma Bawumia duane di. We hu Bawumia nakedness da. Onim de all catch row. There's some deadly stuff happening now or training with film. She knows that these people are crazy. Don't see the election as a joke. That is why Bawumia is desperate. When your power, as me be see Bawumia brabum, you people will be shocked. So Bawumia, so right now, see you couldn't part 20 on the president. And fan who he needs the power because Samira de here power no. Bawumia, Samira Bawumia de here power no. Samira Bawumia ono ne links ewo eye Burkina Faso Fulani for no more no sa as onyo mo ne link you o here power ne dia yade because she doesn't see herself so a Ghanaian. It o here to me no Samira o here to me no obeso de Bawumia gi to me ni wie na de bi obeye mo Ghana no Now, mama, breaking news, and this goes to NDC. I'm sending Muamoa Accra Newtown right now. Go to this location. They are printing ballot papers right now. Accra Newtown, opposite Sakura T, around 55. Go there right now. They are printing ballot papers. Me say, Muamote Accra Newtown, you know, right now. Opposite Sakura T, around 55. You people around Accra Newtown, printing personnel, or no, they are printing ballot papers now. Samia Ukum ne mo say juma no, kusibu atim ne mo say juma so munye. They are printing now. Those people at Accra Newtown right now, go there. My mama location ibium, and all the people at Accra Newtown, you know what I'm talking about. When you go to Accra Newtown, Sakura T, around 55 or printing press the hono, almost printed ballot papers. The NDC youth around that area, go to the printing press right now. It's happening. Go there right now. That's where the printing press is. They are printing right now ballot papers. Samia Uku, Kusibu Atimo, and the master instructions now more printing. Go there right now. And I'm going to pick phone calls in the next 5 minutes from that Accra Newtown area. Side place wo machiremo. In Sakura T, around 55 or more. It is happening. All right. So, Mama Mwa Accra Newtown, I've given you the location, I've given you the printing press. Baby, one more area, when you go there right now, that's what they are doing. John Mahama and the NDC parliamentary candidates, let's give them power to recalibrate, to reset this country to its normal position. My name is Kevin Taylor. Be good. God bless you. God bless me. I will meet you tomorrow. We will discuss Ghana. We will break the news. We will make sure the right thing is done.
What up, my people? I go by the name T-Rhyme, aka the stylish rapper, aka Conscious, aka Fire, aka what I say, BBB. You watching Davcadotv. Keep it locked. Don't go nowhere.